Okay. So we've covered so far Hamilton's method, which was lower quotas, and then you gave out additional seats according to the highest decimal. We just added one to the highest decimal until we got to our number. We then did Jefferson's method, which was lower quotas and your guessing game. Yesterday was Adams' method, which was upper quotas and guessing game. The last one we need to cover is Webster's method. Webster came through and said, I don't like upper quotas, I don't like lower quotas. So we're going to do a mixture of both. So we're going to normally round. Okay, so remember, if I have 0.5 or more, raise the score.
5 or more, 4 or less, give it a rest.
Okay, 4 or less, give it a rest. Okay, so everything's going to be the same until we get to the actual rounding part. So here's example 1. I've got 15 scholarships that I'm giving to English majors, history majors, and psychology majors. So I already did majority of this for you. If you add them all up, you get 1088. We divide by 15, which is your seats, and you get a standard divisor of 72.53. Yeah. You would then at that point plug everything into your calculator. You do 31 divided by x, 502 divided by x, 355 divided by x. Put 72.53 into your table start, and you get these standard quotas. Okay, so here's where the method comes into play. Normal rounding. 3.1 becomes 3. 6.9, 7, and 5. What's 3, 16, 7, and 5?
16.
15.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Is that the same?
What just happened?
How did it work?
It became 15. How many seats do I need?
9.
15?
Nigga,
15 was my
done.
seats. So guess what?
Nigga, you done.
You done.
That's it.
There is nothing else to do.
You know, that's crazy because one we did yesterday did that. No cap. I'm about to show you. Yeah.
She's crazy too. At least you can admit it though. Okay. Let's go back to this one. Okay, this one should look familiar. We've done this, I think, probably about 4 times now with each method. Okay, so again, your standard divisor, your total population divided by your number of seats. That gave us 50,000. When I plugged it in, I got standard quotas. Give me some
33.
rounding.
33, 139, 3,
139.
42, 14, and 20.
3,
Damn, I want to go first.
42,
42,
14, and 20.
14, and 20.
You can add them all up if you fast enough.
You can add them all up if you're fast.
You want 51, right?
252. I did that in my head.
It's 251.
That's why it's wrong.
So,
Okay. So this one didn't work out so perfectly. That's okay.
but it's okay.
So this number needs to go down, which means I need to take 50,000 up.
Hey,
So-
that's 252. My calculator says it's 252. You got
33
254?
plus 139.
You did plus 4.
3 plus
That's 3.
14.
That's what I'm over.
Okay,
Mistake.
it's 251. She put 4 in instead of 3. All right. So at this point, I need somebody or a multitude of you to plug these into y equals. Okay, plug your populations into y equals, and we need to guess a new divisor.
I can't hear.
The
can't
original
hear?
ones?
Yeah.
Do you need hearing aids?
My right ear is tripping. Like it sounds like somebody. It sounds like somebody talking
Probably
to
got
an animal.
that wax in there.
We do the population of each state.
Yes, population of each state. So you should have Y1 through Y6 filled in. Y1 through Y6 filled in.
And I like. Dog. This is expensive, all right? You see this right here? Hold on, wait. See, y'all just got.
That's what she got.
You can't even put that version.
hungry.
Let me see what that.
I gotta go shopping on my way.
That's a 20.
Okay. While you guys are plugging this in, somebody give me a modified divisor to try. We need to go
5,500.
5,500.
Or should it go up?
We're at 50,000. 5,500 is like way low. You mean 50,500?
5,500. 5,500. Look at that.
When you said 5,500, I thought you meant.
Oh! No.
That's why I was
no.
like, what? Huh?
I meant like 50, 500. Like I was
50,500.
That nigga's tripping.
Okay.
Let's just go.
So once you get these all in, Devin wants to start at 50,500.
Damn, my nigga.
Let's see how good Devin is. Or is not.
Well, I probably
He thinks he's cute.
Who, me?
You hit me in the leg.
You just
It's recording.
I haven't heard that.
What?
That's some Nickelodeon stuff.
Oh my goodness.
No, they wouldn't say that. Okay. All right.
They just say-
All right.
They just say douchebag.
No, I'm off 3, so that's wrong. It comes out of 2.
National Custodian Day. Aw.
When they don't really care about the custodians, but they put that day out just so they do.
I love Mr. John. And y'all love Mr. Long, and you know you do.
We do. I'm just saying, I'm talking about everybody. Yeah.
Mr.
Oh, I
Long,
like
nice.
Mr. John, just because he's mine.
A cute one. Well, duh.
Who is that? Who is Mr. Long?
The Chinese man.
He's
Mr.
Cambodian.
Oh, shoot. I be Chinese.
The short.
I meant to say Asian.
I thought y'all was calling him Mr. Long.
No, Mr. Long. Okay, so anybody got this in? Can we do some normal rounding?
Devin's doing it right now.
Don't,
Yeah, by the time I can start saying it, he go,
what'd you get?
My first one's wrong.
That's okay. I still need it. 33. What'd you like?
33, 137, 3, 41, 13, 20.
341. You said 13 or 14?
13.
137,
13,
31, 13, and 20.
This is
147.
147.
I mean, 247.
Thank you.
So,
I was like, holy cow. Okay.
What kind of
So,
math are you doing?
247. That's what I was trying to figure out. So when he went to 50,500, this went too low. Because I was about to say 5,500 like he did. Okay. So I need to raise this up, which means I need to drop this lower. So I need to be above 50,000 because we figured that out first, but I need to be below 50,500. Okay. Drew said, let's try 50,250.
50.
Drew said, try 50,000.
So we gotta go lower?
250. Yes. Because this needs to go up.
250, man.
So that means this needs to go down. 50,250.
Mine right now is actually 247.
That's wild.
So where are we at here? Devin, you want to holler out some numbers at us?
Okay, the first one's gonna be 33. 138. 3.
Okay.
42.
There's 2.
There's for the 14.
There's 3.
And you got your 20.
That's it.
Yeah, Devon.
Just right.
Right there.
Really?
We went up by 1 here, up by 1 here, up by 1 here. I needed to go up by 3. You went up by 3. Your first guess. Is that what you used? Was the 50,250? I used 50,100 and it still gave you the same thing. So there is a large range of numbers that you could have used for this. You could have used 50,101. You could have used 50,200.
Come here, 'cause this is gonna mess everybody up.
Oh, you got
So you're doing 80 divided by 180?
Uh-huh. And you get 0.04444. Okay. I'm going to tell you
That's gonna be
this.
irking my nerves.
The examples you have on the back, which is what I want you to work on now for homework. Okay? When you do the standard divisor for the first example at the top, when you have an ongoing decimal like that, where it's just 44444, take it out a good number of spaces.
Where do you see that at?
Okay? You need to actually solve for the standard
Oh.
divisor.
Oh.
How you find your